The Proficy portfolio from GE Vernova is uniquely integrated from HMI SCADA through data historian through the MES layer. And that tight integration enables customers to be able to deploy projects faster, get better outcomes faster. We've spent the last several years bringing the whole portfolio together behind a common user experience, which we call Operations Hub. And so the operator on the floor, the line supervisor, the plant manager can all have bespoke applications built for their persona, for their needs, giving them the data they need to make the best decisions based on what their role is. Whether that data is coming out of the SCADA system, whether it's data that's been stored in Historian for the last year, or whether it's MES quality data, production data, efficiency data, all of that can be commingled in a single application, providing that persona with a unique view to the data they need.